These are going to be the elevators at the Andaz Byward Market in Ottawa, Ontario. Let's see what we got. Looks like we got some Thyssenkrupp. Yep, we got some Thyssenkrupp Northern elevators. Let's get a cab view. Nice cab. Let's go down to basement. We can go up to 16. Here we go. Here on 16.
Lounge and Fitness Center, salon et centre de remise en forme.
Let's get it. Okay. Get a view of Ottawa here. Some of it. And copyright music's about to play, so we will go back in. Actually, what's over here? Nothing's too special here. Alright, let's go in. Let's take these elevators back down.
Pour l'entrée dans Dewhurst,
Taking a video of the elevator and a ride.
Do you know where the rooftop bar is?
I think it's up here. And got some classic leveling. I'm gonna see there are your buttons. Speaker. Thyssenkrupp elevator. Buttons. Let's call it. Let's ring the bell. Let's and there it goes, and that's it.